Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma on Tuesday visited Syntung village under Mawkynrew C&RD Block, where he met with local strawberry farmers and residents. The visit highlighted the community's commendable efforts in developing a value chain around strawberry farming. Impressed by the initiatives, the Chief Minister assured full support from the state government to transform Syntung into an agro-tourism destination.
14 hectares, involving more than 270.
So we are here in Syntung village in Mawkynrew constituency in East Khasi Hills, and we are right now here to see this beautiful place which has got huge potential for tourism, and we will be developing the tourism sector also out here by ensuring that we put up infrastructure and other amenities. But apart from tourism, as we can see on my side and behind me and across, that there's a huge scope for strawberry plantation out here. And the agriculture department has taken large number of steps to ensure that this particular plantation and product is promoted. And through that whole process, today more than 250 plus beneficiaries are getting benefit here in Syntung village, and at the same time they are marketing this product all the way to Guwahati through Naramak, and also at the same time they are selling the product out here in the state, as well as supplying it to IIHM, and there's a huge demand for it, and at the same time the farmers are getting a very good price also for this. So from the agriculture department we are committed, and as a government, we're committed to give full support, and I see that there's a huge potential in terms of processing these products, and therefore in the coming days we will put up a processing unit out here through which the farmers can get benefit, and the farmers around this region also can get benefit, and the tourists also can actually get a whole experience of not just the plantation but the different products that will come out of the strawberries that are grown out here. So I'm very happy, and I urge our tourists also to come and experience this and be part of our farmers' lives, promote them, support them, and that way, as I said, we'll be able to create much more value and many more livelihoods through these programs. Thank you very much.
The visit concluded on a lighter note, with the Chief Minister joining members of the Syntung Sports and Cultural Club for a musical session near the scenic Warashi Falls. The Chief Minister of Meghalaya also made his first visit to Jatah village in the same block. During his visit, he interacted with farmers, self-help group members and villagers to hear their concerns and discuss developmental strategies. He also stopped by the local upper primary school to engage with teachers and students. Praising the entrepreneurial spirit of the people of Jatah, Conrad Sangma reaffirmed the government's commitment to support their ventures through the CM Elevate scheme, aimed at fostering rural innovation and sustainable livelihoods.
Given to these groups was about 30 crores to 40 crores in 2018. Today, in 7 years' time, since I became Chief Minister from 2018 today till 2025, we have distributed over 1,000 crores to different self-help groups. Apart from self-help groups, we realized that the farmers did not have markets where they could sell their products. And hence we started the program where over 100 farmers markets like the one here in Jatah have been implemented throughout the state. We realized that farmers needed to transport their product to markets like Shillong, Guwahati and other locations, and they did not have vehicles. And that is why the last 7 years we have distributed over 300 agri-prime vehicles. And these vehicles are owned by cooperative societies, by IVCS, and I'm happy to know that one vehicle is here also.